You're standing there looking at your brand new Jeep Wrangler JL.
It's awesome. You love all the tech, the creature comforts, and the crankin' touchscreen sound system.
We need tunes that the young people will enjoy.
So in heaven.
I tried.
But as you gaze with that "I've finally arrived" attitude, it hits you.
The reality that you have a bone stock Jeep, and it looks just like everyone else's.
Your confidence falters. Suddenly you become aware that your Jeep wave is often left hanging.
But just as your self-esteem is slipping away,
You see a TeraFlex self-help video that addresses your very situation.
it's like TeraFlex knew.
They knew you didn't want to go huge.
They knew you just wanted a nice driving, affordable suspension lift.
And they knew you wanted to roll on some 35-inch bad boys and look down on that minivan crowd with attitude.
The TeraFlex 2.5-inch spacer suspension lift isn't just a pile of pucks.
The 2.5-inch kit is a complete suspension system that includes sway bar links, spacers, adjustable bump stop strike pads, to protect fender flares during those surprise dips on the trail or even on the road.
You are now free to choose the icing on the cake, the Falcon Shock of your dreams to add to the kit.
Problem solved. Affordability, comfort, stability, and that look you've been yearning for.
Thanks, TeraFlex.
Sounded sincere.